In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio player to your Google site in just 5 minutes. This is a great way to enhance the user experience by allowing visitors to listen to music, podcasts, or any audio content directly from your website. First, we're going to use a handy tool called Elfsight, which offers various widgets for websites including an audio player. Open your web browser and navigate to the Elfsight website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you have one, just log in. Once you're on the Elfsight dashboard, the next step is to click on the Catalog section. This area provides a range of widgets you can use. In the search bar of the catalog, type audio. This search will narrow down the options and help you find the widget you need more quickly. Among the results, look for the audio player trending option and click on it. This is the widget we'll be using to embed audio files onto your Google site. Now, you'll be taken to a section where you can choose a template for your audio player. Elfsight offers several styles, so take a moment to select the one that best fits the look and feel of your website. Once you've picked your template, click on Continue with this template to proceed. Now it's time to add your audio tracks. Click on the Add Tracks button, where you can upload your audio files. Ensure your tracks are in a supported format, typically MP3, to play smoothly across different browsers. After adding your tracks, the next crucial step is to click on Publish. This action will save your settings and prepare your audio player so that it's ready to be embedded into your site. You will then see pricing options, and for this tutorial we'll focus on the free version. Simply click on Select under the free plan. This selection will allow you to use the audio player with basic features at no cost. To get your audio player onto Google Sites, click Copy Code. This button gives you the HTML snippet you'll need to embed the player onto your site. Next, head over to your Google site. In the editor, look for the Embed option. Go ahead and click on it to open the Embed dialog. You'll see the Embed Code option there. Select it. Paste the code that you copied from Elfsight into the provided text box. After pasting, click Next to continue. If everything is correct, you should see a preview of your audio player. Finally, click Insert to add the audio player to your page. Now the audio player should be part of your site, ready for visitors to use. With these steps, you've seamlessly integrated an audio experience into your Google site, improving engagement and making your site more dynamic. Happy web editing?